have 8 years. Right. Yeah. So I have 8 years of experience into analytics. I have been okay. So I started my career in 2018, and since then I have been working as Adobe analyst. Currently, I'm working with a company called Victoria's Secret, and here I'm working as a product analyst. I am Adobe Analytics Business Practitioner certified. So yeah, that's it. Rajeshwari, you can go ahead and introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself, I have 9 years of experience in digital marketing field. Currently, I'm working like SEO and then advertising, these kind of digital marketing activities. In my overall past experience, I have used the analytics platform GA4. So now I plan to entering into the big, the next version of analytics. I'm thinking Adobe. That's why I chosen the class training more needed for this tool. So continue on same domain with a different area of platform I want to focus. That's the
Ah,
reason I chosen.
okay, nice, good to know. So that's why I asked you to introduce yourself so that I can accordingly start the session. So as you mentioned, you already have experience into SEO and you have worked upon Google Analytics as well. So you pretty much know how the analytics tools work. I mean, what is the use of analytics tool? But if I compare Adobe Analytics with Google Analytics, there are few or major differences in both of the tools. So in this training, we will be covering all the analytics. I mean, all the Adobe Analytics topic. Be it what are the basic definitions of analytics, how Adobe Analytics tracks the data, and what are the major use cases we can focus on. How Adobe Analytics actually works. You mentioned you have experience into SEO, so I will be covering how the marketing channels are getting tracked under analytics and what all the marketing channel attribution logics we have. So I will be covering all of the topics. Just to understand, when you're saying you have worked upon Google Analytics, at what level you have worked, so that accordingly I will be starting with the session.
I mean, you are asking me, right?
Yes. So I think rest of the folks are the trainers, or I think from the HKR group only. So yeah.
Okay, okay. So, for Google Analytics, throughout my 9 years of experience, generating reports and user behavior throughout the journey in the platform, right? The visitors, page detail, in depth, the data analysis, right? So that area I have worked very well. The customization until
Okay, so you worked upon the reporting front for from GA, if I'm not
yeah,
wrong.
complete report I have worked.
Okay, cool. So, so if we talk about Adobe Analytics or Google Analytics, have you ever wondered how this data is getting tracked under Analytics, or how are we receiving this data? So, just to answer this, under Adobe Analytics, we fire 1:1 megapixel image request. That is, yeah, thank you. Yeah, so 1:1 megapixel image request, that is nothing but a JavaScript code which we fire, sorry, which we fire onto our website, and with that megapixel image request, we receive the data under analytics. This session is just the demo session. I will be giving you the overall detailed walkthrough of how that data is getting captured under Adobe. But just to, in a very layman language, we pass the JavaScript code into our website. Like we put the JavaScript code into our website, and with that code, we receive the image request under analytics, and by that, we capture the data under analytics. When we are saying, okay, so the JavaScript code is available on the site now, right? Now, when we are saying how that data is structured, if you, I am not sure about Google Analytics, but if you know about Adobe Analytics a bit, there are types of variables under which we are capturing this data, right? So, to capture all this data, we have evars, props, and events under which this data fires. We receive some of the out of the box data also from Adobe side. I mean, out of the box metric and dimensions, under which your device related, your your device related or your location related information gets tracked by default by using your cookie id, but the custom data which we are tracking under analytics, for that we use variables. There are three types of variables under analytics. One is evars, another one is props, and then events. Any questions till now?
Yeah. So I have few doubt actually.
Mhm.
So right now I'm out of the coding actually, not too much. I can manage like HTML, the basics coding, whatever the default things I can manage. But now when I enter into the different area of analytics, like a JSON, this kind of code, right? So the coding area is much needed, and I have to aware more on that. That is my one query.
So it's not actually overall true. So the coding which I'm talking about Adobe Analytics, it is, I mean, all the Adobe related codes, the data layer elements which we pass.
I mean,
Those
the
are
structure I have to create the top to bottom, and it's a set of predefined. I mean, in GA4, it's a kind of predefined template is there. We can do the customization. Yeah.
same thing is available for Adobe also. So predefined codes are available. Adobe provide their own cheat sheet which you can just use when you are doing the implementation. So it's not like you have to learn the coding, but it's always good to have, like, if you want to actually do the implementation. Also under analytics there are different sections. The part which you are talking about is Adobe implementation, where you will,
Implementation.
yeah, where you will
Okay.
be using the tag management systems. Like,
So, yeah, that is also another query. For me, report or implementation, which is suitable. That is also I'm little struggle on this area.
well, so I would suggest reporting is more better for you because you already have good experience into
Yeah,
SEO where
yeah, that's
you
what
are
I'm
working on the
thinking.
reports. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I would suggest reporting part is, I mean, reporting field is more suitable for you because you already have some level of expertise, and then it will be a easy transition. But if you are
Okay.
interested, you can do the implementation part as well, because implementation is also not very tough. There are some use cases where you might need some coding experience, but most of the, like, if I talk about implementation, 80% of the codes you will find very easily. Launch is also a very user friendly tool, so it's not like you will not be able to understand it. You already have good experience, so you will be able to learn the
Yeah.
launch as well. But if you want to
Okay.
transition into analytics, I would suggest first focus into reporting and insight generation and recommendations,
So
and then
better I get experience at least 1 year in that area, then myself I can improvise, right?
right,
Better.
right, yeah, right.
Yeah, that's a better solution. If I go with the both or taking time or because my resume weight also I'm thinking on more side like taking both classes and then finally go for an resume modification, then what will happen?
Well, so in this session, I will be giving you, so you know what, I will be giving you training around both, a little bit of implementation, a little bit of
So you
reporting as
guys are
well.
providing both, right? Or overall only reporting separate implementation separate? Because in what inquiry I didn't get that kind of clarification. That's why asking to you.
Well, so I will be giving you basic understanding of how the launch work and how the implementation, the tag management system will work. Then only you will be
Okay,
able to
okay.
understand around how the reports are generated, what that data field means,
Okay,
what
okay.
is the difference between those variables which I just mentioned, right? So, for example,
Okay.
we have evars, props, and events. So, for
Okay.
all the three type of variables, you have to pass a data layer under which you will be passing the detail whatever you are tracking. And
Okay,
for
and
Mhm,
yeah.
go ahead.
Yeah. So for while giving a training, right? So you guys are giving a real-time access and implementation kind of projects experience.
Well, so I am not sure about if you will get the sandbox access, but there is a site provided by Adobe where
Okay.
you can generate your sandbox. I will teach you how to do that.
Okay. I mean, we are implementing our the environment you are providing. I'm not getting proper.
So basically, in this training session, I will tell you how to do things. You will
Yeah.
get the sandbox. I will have to explore the Adobe sandbox part if it is available for everybody or it is only available for the companies where analytics is available. I'll have to explore that part and I'll have to connect with the trainer or the leaders from this company who are providing this the training. So yeah, I'll be connecting with them about around sandbox. But yes, there is a option available from Adobe's end where you can get the sandbox for free.
Okay.
Yeah, so
So
I
that
will.
one we can access, right? I mean, our
Yes,
end.
that you can. Yes.
So that's I mean, it's a kind of projects I can create and explore the variables types, right?
Correct. Right. Yes. You can explore reporting, like how to create those reports. You can explore the launch part. Launch is basically one of the tag management system.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can explore how the launch works.
Oh, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I clear my queries.
Okay.
Yeah,
Um,
you continue.
yes. Okay. So I am not sure about if we can start with the session in this meeting only. Mayuri, can you please give me that understanding,
Yeah, the
or
other person
Sorry,
has
your
also joined.
voice is slowly.
Yeah, hello. Good evening.
hello? Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
Yeah, myself Kohinoor. I am from Calcutta actually. Actually,
Okay.
I inquiry about this course, and I have a total 10 years experience. But from 2019, I changed my domain, and right now I'm working as a digital marketing executive.
Okay.
So I have a little bit knowledge in Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. But for growth, came to know that Adobe Analytics is a thing. If anyone complete the course, they could get a good achievement and all. So after that, I inquiry your website, so, and I got your number, and that after that I joined this meeting. So could you elaborate the course and all? Because
Yeah, sure.
yeah.
Right. So, under this course, we will be
Hmm,
teaching you about Adobe Analytics from
hmm,
basic to advanced. Like
hmm,
what Adobe Analytics is, how Adobe Analytics works, what
hmm,
are the variable types, what are the reports you can create, what is
hmm,
the tag management system which Adobe uses, and all of those things.
hmm.
Along with the sandbox access, I'll again on the sandbox, I'll have to explore it a bit, but we will be providing you a sandbox access where you yourself can do the changes and can create a report or practice analytics basically. So in this course we will be covering both Adobe implementation and reporting.
Reporting and implementation, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the course timing total? Total duration?
For that I will have to connect with Mayuri again from the HKR group.
No, could you give me any just idea?
So if I'm
The
not wrong, this course is for 1 hour daily, and for I think next 30 days, this course will be running.
maximum 30 to 40 hours, right?
Yes, 30 to
But the
40 hours.
thing is, ma'am, may I know your name?
It's Alicia.
Alicia. Alicia, the thing is actually we are working professional, and the thing is, I don't think so. We can give you every 1 hour per day. So
Okay.
for our from our aspects, it would be better if we get if we do this course from your institute. So we could suggest our better time would be a weekend. It will be better for us.
Okay, so you're saying you're asking for weekend courses.
Exactly, exactly.
So about that also, I'll have to connect with HKR, and they will reach out to you again.
Sure. Or either we can do this course after our office, like after 8:30.
Yeah, so we already connected at 9 p.m. today. So if we are going to have a daily session, we will be having 9 to 10.
Okay. Okay. And the possibility of our career growth, what is that?
Well, so about possibility of career growth. So once you will learn the analytics, once you will give the interviews, I don't think HKR Group will be providing the job assistance. But if you have the expertise into analytics, and if you are able to pass the interviews, there is a good growth into analytics. I have been working as a data analyst, Adobe analyst since last 8 years, almost 8 years. And
Hmm.
in terms of pay scale, in terms of career growth, I would say it's a good. I mean, for me, I have a good experience in terms of career growth and in terms of
Okay.
uh,
But but the thing is,
yeah.
you just told me that you have a working as a Adobe Analytics and data analytics. But data analysis is another thing which is have a Python, SQL, etc. But in Adobe, there is any coding language?
No, well, when you are talking about Adobe Analytics only,
Hmm.
there are multiple domains into Adobe Analytics itself. So my major expertise is around reporting, where I generate recommendation, insights, and I present the data. I play with the data. I do the data manipulation, while there are teams who does the implementation, and there are people who are doing the targeting as well, the
Hmm.
experimentation. So when you're
Hmm.
talking about coding, yes, at some level coding is required, but but coding is not necessary to have when you're learning analytics. And I'm not talking about only Adobe Analytics. Any analytics tool you are learning, coding
Hmm.
is not is 100% needed. It is needed. I mean, it is good to have, obviously, because somewhat you need to you'll have to have discussions with developers where you want to share your business requirements with them. So yeah, having coding expertise is good, but it is not necessary.
Okay. Okay. And is any uh Adobe Analytics and Google Analytics, is there any similarity? Both are similar and both are I mean to say both are functional are different.
Well, the business purpose for both the tools is same. Both are
Hmm.
analytics tool, both are web analytics tools. But
Hmm.
yes, there are differences in both the tools. Like for example, the very basic difference is Adobe Analytics call visit, while Google Analytics call it a session. So any customer who is coming to our platform, one visit or one session starts, right? Even
Hmm.
though the definition is same for Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics, the 30 minutes of an inactivity logic is behind the session for a customer. But yeah, the what could I say? The nomenclature is different, and the UI is also different in terms of how the reports are created. Similarly, Adobe Analytics provide you some advanced level of AI/ML reporting, such as marketing attribution IQ reports. You have cohort analysis, and some of the advanced level reports are available with Adobe Analytics. While with Google Analytics, I am not sure if that is available with the free
Got your
version
point.
or
Got it.
yeah,
Because Google Analytics is totally free, but it is costly, huh?
correct, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I have a two things I just want to know from you.
Mhm.
First one is right now, as a digital marketing executive, my job role is at doing SEO, creating backlinks, doing on-page website audits, keyword research analysis, making reports. And in
Mhm.
paid media, I need to do some performance marketing like Google Ads, Facebook Ads. Okay.
Okay.
If I complete this certification or this course, so
Yeah.
I got to become a Adobe analyst, right? So,
Right.
so is there any changes from a job role?
Well, so your current designation must be around digital marketer, and once you will transition into digital analytics, you will be a product analyst or maybe a data analyst. Once you will
Okay.
transition into analytics, you will be more focusing around overall online
Da-
data
Data.
most of the
Yeah.
time. Yeah. Or so it depends upon companies to companies. In my current
Company to company.
organization, I am
Exactly.
doing the omni channel as well, right, where we
Mm-hmm.
have offline data and online data both. So it
Mm-hmm.
depends on your new role where you are going, but mostly you will be looking at overall data, not only the marketing activity, right? Currently you are only looking at marketing activity, right? But once you
Yeah.
will be transitioning into Adobe Analytics or any of the analytics team, you will be looking at overall data, how your platform is performing in terms of natural versus paid versus um,
Mhm.
overall how the journey looks like, what is the flow report, what is the conversion, and all those
Exactly.
matrices. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So, could you send me the total course details? Actually, I don't have any brochure at all, so I am unable
Sure,
to check.
yes. So Mayuri, can you share those details with Rajeshwari? And I
Yes,
don't get
yeah.
Yes.
any.
I
Yeah.
also don't received anything about the course and
Okay.
it
Okay.
both.
We will share it with you.
Actually, we have
Yeah.
two, three members. We have two, three colleagues. Those who are interested to doing this course actually,
Mhm.
Oh,
and
And
I yeah.
one more question, a comfortable language? Hello.
So,
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah.
Sorry
Yeah, or comfortable language.
for
I
me.
mean, no, no, no. Trainer, I'm asking.
So
Oh,
for me, comfortable language is English or Hindi. I am from Delhi.
Oh,
you are from
okay,
Delhi.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Just asking. Yeah, thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
Because my current organization, Delhi only, my colleague, everyone talk in Hindi. So sometimes the training is goes like that. That's why I'm cross checking.
No, no, no. So I am comfortable with English and Hindi.
English.
If you,
Thank you.
yeah, okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
okay. I'm comfortable with English. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that's the
Okay.
reason I'm planning for somewhere to switching another company with another career. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay, then I
Okay.
think,
Okay, send me the course details so that I can know the
sure,
process.
sure,
Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah.
HKR group, I think Mayuri will be connecting with both of you. She will share the brochure and the course details, and then
Okay.
in the next session we can start with the course content.
Okay. Sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Good night.
guys.
Good night. Good
Thank
night,
you.
all.
Bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so
Bye.
much. Thank you. Bye bye.